Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro to the application. In the previous video we install and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check video at this channel. And now let's move to adding these earbuds to the application. And firstly, we should pair them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth, or connected devices. If you have Android, also click pair new device at the top after that. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth, like on iOS. Then we should turn on these headphones and enter to pairing mode. So, open the charging case and do not remove your earbuds from the case. If your earbuds already outside the case, just put it to the case, and then at the bottom, near to USB-C port, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold at this button for at least 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And now we just enter pairing mode, so we should see these earbuds at the device list. Right here we have them. So tap on them and we just connect them, so then you can hide the settings and open QCY application. Click Add Device, and now we need to wait. As you can see, this application found these earbuds, so you can click on them and we just add them. I want to allow while using the app, but it's up to you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.